What's funny? What's funny? Big Mouth, you're wired. Okay? That's what you're doing now, B. You're ready to go nap. He's wired. You didn't do your first nap yet, no?
I took a nap for
How many times does he nap?
you should
Twice
a day?
nap for 2 hours, but it's almost like down like 1 hour.
Drink water time.
How many naps does he
2 naps a day. Drink water time.
Only 1 nap
Per
per weekend.
weekend?
For me. I don't.
You have to nap.
I took a nap around
Because it's,
school day and stuff?
it helps you be healthier.
You take a nap every day. Without doing your homework.
what?
He does her homework.
But I have to do it after. It's part of the GAB law.
What's grab law?
You know what?
What's the grab law? What's the grab law?
GAB law number 1.
He
What?
got points.
Our biggest enemy is homework.
No.
We have been working on water for homework for years.
What's funny? What's funny?
GAB law number 1. Homework is our enemy. We have been trying to war it for years.
No?
War it? Which war it? The teacher stopped doing it. But one time we had no home. In 2nd grade, I had no homework for 2 days. Because first we made a documentary. Actually, the first one was because I don't know how we did it. The second one was because we gave her
Flowers.
yeah. And the 3rd day we tried to make her. We were all good, so we didn't have to do any homework, but it didn't work. We were trying to walk. We are collecting all the pencils and breaking them so you don't have nothing to do homework, so you don't have to do it.
Take the camera, huh? Nah.
I think he's laughing because he's on camera.
Yeah.
Peekaboo!
What's funny?
You know what the chapter is?
Bye-bye.
Like this.
Bye-bye.